Welcome children. Today's assessment worksheet number 3, subject science, class 6, dated 14th September. In first column, name of student, you have to write your name. Second, name of teacher, you have to write your teacher name. Instruction is given to you. Choose the correct option in the given multiple choice questions and darken the circle with pencil or pen. आपको you have to find out the correct answer in the given options and darken the circle with the help of pen or pencil. Question number 1. Which of these material is an insulator? Insulator कौन से materials होते हैं बच्चों? Insulator materials होते हैं which do not allow the electricity to pass through them. So you have to find out insulator. First one is copper, second rubber, third iron, and D aluminum. So copper, iron and aluminum, all these three are metal. Metals are good conductor of electricity or good conductors. So correct answer insulator is rubber. So you have to tick rubber is the correct answer. Question number 2. In question number 2, you have to ask electric current flow through the wires from. Electric current wires में कैसे flow होता है? A positive terminal to negative terminal, B negative terminal to positive terminal, C positive terminal to positive terminal, and D negative terminal to negative. Your correct answer will be A positive terminal to negative terminal. Current flow होता है positive terminal to negative terminal. So correct answer will be A part. Now question number 3. A device that breaks the circuit is called. Device which breaks or complete the circuit, that device is called switch. So correct answer will be switch. C switch. Next question. Sea water is a oblique N. Sea water is a insulator, an insulator or a conductor, or both insulator or conductor, none of the D part, none of the above. So you know different minerals are dissolved in sea water. So sea water is a conductor of electricity. So you have to put or darken the circle B conductor. Next question. Your next question is the given symbol represent. आपको एक symbol दिया हुआ है. You have to give in a symbol and you have to find out the of which electric component of symbol is this. Cell, battery, switch or wire. This symbol represent cell. So correct answer is A, cell. Next question is wheat, rice and potatoes are sources of. So wheat, rice and potatoes are rich source of carbohydrate. So correct answer is carbohydrate A. A part is correct answer. All these three are rich sources of carbohydrate. Now pulses are the good source of. Pulses में क्या होता है ज़्यादा, कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट होता है? Is protein. So fat, vitamin, protein and carbohydrate. Correct answer is C, protein. You have to put you have to darken the circle of C part, protein. Next 8 question. Next question is dash is needed for growth and repair of the body tissues. Body tissues की growth और repair के लिए आपको कौन सा nutrient ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है? Carbohydrate, protein, fats and minerals. So you need protein. So correct answer will be B, protein. Question number 9. How many terminals are there in a cell? Cell में कितने terminals होते हैं बच्चों? How many terminal? Cell have 2 terminals. So correct answer will be B, 2 terminals. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 फॉर हेल्दी विज़न वी नीड, हेल्दी विज़न के लिए हमें कौन सा विटामिन चाहिए? फॉर हेल्दी विज़न वी नीड विटामिन ए. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ए पार्ट, विटामिन ए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.